In this video, I will show you how to import templates using WordPress importer. First of all, log into your WordPress admin dashboard, and then in this left-hand menu, hover over on tools and just click on import. And here you will be able to import templates from Blogger, from Live Journal, from movable type and typepad, RSS, Tumblr. And now to install or import templates in WordPress, first of all you have to install WordPress here. So install it, and it may take some time to install. Then click on run importer, and now I'm going to my file explorer and going to the folder where is my template. So as you can see, I have the XML file. Now all you have to need to upload it here, just click on choose file and go ahead and select your XML file and just upload it here. Click on upload and import, and your template XML file will be uploaded in your WordPress. It may take some time, it depends on your file size, and assign authors to make it similar. And here import author, you can create a new user with login name from here, or you can assign post to an existing user from here. Now import attachments, download and import file attachments, you can check this box and then click on submit. After that, the template will be imported in your WordPress. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.